Alright guys, so here we are, Unit 6 Geometry. We're talking about inequalities of triangles. So, we're going to talk about the simple one first. We're basically saying, I call this my squirrel theorem. It essentially says, oh, no, this is not my squirrel theorem. Sorry, got ahead of myself. Alright, so this is saying that if two sides are not the same, so they're like not the same length, then the angle opposite the larger side will be the larger angle. In other words, see how YZ is a much wider opening than XY? What that means is that the angle opposite XY, so angle X, will be greater than the angle opposite YZ, so angle Z. So the one they used, so I'll use the one they used, they said that XZ, this line, is bigger than XY. So this one. This is the small one. So they're saying that angle Y is bigger than angle Z. Which you can see. And you know this, because if you open a door bigger, the angle at the opening is also bigger than if you only open it a small amount. Okay? I call this my door theorem. It's not actually a door theorem, but I call it my door theorem. Okay, so right here, we're just going to put the angles in order on the triangle from smallest to largest. So I'm going to first notice these sides. So I see that 5.8, or we want smallest to largest. So I see that 2.7 is my smallest side. So opposite that is angle M. So angle M is my smallest. So the measure of angle M is smaller than the measure of angle. Now what's the next smallest one? So 4.3. So 4.3 is my next smallest side. So that means the angle opposite is going to be the middle one. So angle L. And that's going to be smaller than the measure of angle. And then we're going to do the big one. So this is my biggest side. And you'll notice that biggest side opposite it is angle K. Okay, so M is smaller than L is smaller than K. The angle size. I want you guys now to practice this one. Notice that you'll need to draw a picture. I strongly encourage the drawing of the picture. You don't actually have to draw a picture. It's just super helpful. Okay, and then once you do that, we will meet back together and we will talk about side lengths.